7 problem solvers working to solve your consumer issues. A Williamsville woman called, said she was being overcharged by Sears Home Services, and 7 problem solver Michael Schwartz made the calls to get this problem solved.
In the basement of Patricia Estill's Williamsville home sits the dryer she bought years ago from Sears.
Is a Sears product.
It's still in pretty good shape, but in November of 2021, she says it wasn't drying properly.
I was going to take care of it starting at the beginning of the year. Well, then a loved one got sick.
Estill used clothespins until March. That's when she got a technician from Sears Home Services to order parts for the machine. She says a week later the parts arrived and another technician came out to install those parts. She describes him as unpleasant.
Told me the amount of money that I owed him, and I was appalled, but I also didn't want him in my home any longer, so I signed on his iPad or phone, whatever device he had.
Estill says not only did the machine still not work, but says she was charged more than $200 for the parts that she already paid for. The repairman who came back to fix the machine agreed.
He looked at my invoices and he said, yes, I think you're right. I think there was a mistake here. Don't assume because I have gray hair that I am not internet savvy. I still work. I do our website.
She spent months trying to get a refund until a friend told her about 7 problem solvers.
I said, okay, what do I have to lose? Because I was really at the point of giving up.
I looked into her issue and contacted Sears Home Appliance Services.
I feel like an hour of you making your phone call, I got a call from the area manager.
A company representative emailed me back claiming the math for what they charged is correct, but they decided to issue a refund anyway in the form of a check that Estill recently got.
Nobody ever told me they were issuing me a refund until you got involved.
In Williamsville, Michael Schwartz, 7 problem solvers.
Okay, Michael, thank you. If you have a problem you need some help with, let Michael investigate. He can find you answers. Email him at 7problemsolvers@wkbw.com.